Think homemade lasagna is hard? Think again. In just 35 minutes, you can make golden, cheesy, restaurant-quality lasagna at home. And if you've never tasted a real Italian lasagna, the rich, creamy, layered kind, that's about to change. This is not a quick shortcut version. This is the authentic way. Slow-cooked bolognese. Silky béchamel. Perfect golden crust. And I'll show you exactly how to make it step by step. Let's start with the soul of the dish. The bolognese's flavor starts here. A true lasagna lives or dies by its bolognese sauce. We'll need tomatoes, ground pork or beef, onion, carrot, celery, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and white wine. Full ingredients are listed below. Finely chop the onion, carrot, and celery. Very fine. These vegetables will melt into the sauce and create depth. In a deep pot, add olive oil and sauté the vegetables with a pinch of salt. Cook until soft and translucent. This builds the foundation. Now add the ground meat. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Cook until lightly browned. Pour in the white wine. Turn the heat up and let the alcohol evaporate completely. You'll smell the difference. Add peeled tomatoes, fresh or canned. Then add water in the same amount as the tomatoes. Lower the heat. Now comes the secret, patience. Let it simmer gently for 2 to 3 hours. Slow cooking transforms simple ingredients into something extraordinary. This is what makes lasagna unforgettable. The béchamel, creamy perfection. While the sauce finishes, we prepare the béchamel. Warm 1 liter of milk gently. In another saucepan, melt butter over low heat. Remove from heat and whisk and flour immediately. Slowly add the warm milk, whisking constantly to keep it smooth. Return to low heat. Add salt and freshly grated nutmeg. Stir continuously for 5 to 6 minutes, until thick and creamy. It should coat the spoon beautifully. Smooth. Velvety. Essential. Building the layers. Now the magic begins. Lightly oil a deep baking dish. Spread a thin layer of béchamel first. Add lasagna sheets. Then bolognese. Then the salami, mozzarella, and hard-boiled egg. Then grated cheese. Repeat. Each layer builds flavor. Each layer adds texture. Don't rush this part, this is where the beauty happens. Finish with béchamel and a generous layer of cheese on top. Baking to golden perfection. Cover with foil and bake at 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the foil if you want that beautiful golden crust. Turn on the broiler or convection for the final few minutes. When the top is bubbling and golden brown, it's ready. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This step matters. It keeps the layers perfect. And there it is. Authentic Italian lasagna. Rich. Creamy. Deeply satisfying. If you love traditional recipes made the right way, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how your lasagna turned out. If you think making homemade lasagna is complicated, this simple version will change your mind. Today we're putting everything together in the easiest way possible, using just a few classic ingredients, and the result is warm, comforting, and absolutely delicious. Now that all our ingredients are ready, let's assemble our lasagna. Take a baking dish and lightly coat the bottom with olive oil. This prevents sticking and adds a subtle layer of flavor. Spread a thin layer of sauce on the bottom, just enough to cover it evenly. For this version, we're keeping it simple. Egg pasta sheets, rich bolognese sauce, and creamy béchamel. Place the first layer of egg pasta sheets over the sauce. Make sure they lie flat and cover the entire surface. Next, spread a layer of bolognese sauce. Distribute it evenly, especially into the corners. This helps the pasta cook perfectly and stay moist. Now add a layer of béchamel. Spread it gently so everything is covered in a smooth, creamy layer. And now we repeat. Another layer of pasta. Bolognese sauce. Béchamel. Keep building the layers in the same order, simple and consistent. Press lightly so everything settles evenly, but don't press too hard. For the final layer, finish with bechamel on top. This keeps the surface soft while baking and helps create a light golden finish. Place the dish into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, about 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for around 35 minutes using the fan setting. This allows the lasagna to cook evenly and develop a delicate golden top. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This step makes slicing much easier and keeps the layers beautifully intact. And that's it. A simple, homemade Italian lasagna, comforting, satisfying, and much easier than you might think. Slice it, serve it, and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more classic Italian dishes.